Hello, this video will explain how to book an appointment via remote booking. First, navigate to the Appointments menu and then the Remote Booking option. Here I can set the timescale of the remote rotas I want to see at which units and which rota types. The rotas and slots that are available are set by the organisation sharing these appointments. From here, I can right-click and request slots. On the right-hand side now, I get a preview of this shared rota. The slots in pink mean that appointments have already been booked into these, and you are unable to see the patient identifiable data. Right-click into a free slot, search for your patient's name, and book the appointment. You can add any details about the appointment as appropriate, and print a label or send a text message as required. Once the patient has been booked in, and perhaps queries you about this appointment, you'll be able to find the details of this by using the F9 appointment search functionality, and tick this box to include remotely booked appointments. Another way is by looking in the record under the Appointments, Visits and Tasks node in your clinical tree. I can cancel this appointment in the usual way by right-clicking on this appointment and selecting an option for cancelling. The organisation holding the clinic are also able to cancel this appointment. If you're an organisation wanting to share your appointments with other SystmOne units, it's probably worth watching the remote booking setup video to see how this is done. Thanks for watching.